and welcome back. So, the latest episode of Udne ki Aasha brings emotional family moments before ending with shocking medical emergency. The episode begins with Tejas finally admitting that Roshni is carrying his child. His confession leaves the entire Deshmukh family stunned. As everyone struggles to react, Siley steps forward and requests the family not to punish the unborn baby for the mistake of its parents. Moved by her word, Paresh decides to let Roshni stay with the family, saying the child deserves to grow up surrounded by love. And emotional Roshni promises that she will never betray the family's trust again. Later, Paresh prays for peace in the Deshmukh family, hoping no more trouble comes their way. Renuka becomes extra caring towards Siley because of her pregnancy, while Akash prepares biryani to bring everyone together. During dinner, however, Paresh makes it clear that Tejas will not receive any share of his property because of his past actions. At the same time, he promises that Tejas' child will always be loved and protected. Later that night, Sachin requests Paresh to give Tejas another chance, believing every person deserves an opportunity to change. But Paresh explains his decision is meant to teach Tejas responsibility, not take revenge. Although Sachin understands his father's feeling, he hopes that the three brothers will one day stand united again. The next morning, Renuka prepares a healthy breakfast especially for Siley. Feeling ignored, Roshni asks if she can receive the same care since she is also pregnant. Renuka refuses, deeply hurting Roshni. Siley kindly offers to share her meal, but instead of appreciating the gesture, Roshni once again blames Siley and Sachin for her problems. Siley calmly advises her to stop blaming others and start thinking like a mother. Soon, Roshni receives an emotional call from Krish, who says he misses her and wants to live with her. She later shares her wish of bringing Krish into the Deshmukh house, but Tejas is shocked by the idea. Unfortunately, Renuka overhears the conversation and firmly refuses, saying the family is not ready for such a decision. Meanwhile, Sachin and Siley receives beautiful furniture from their grandmother and happily decorate their new room, dreaming about the future they will build together. But their happiness is short lived. Suddenly, Siley starts bleeding and is struck by severe pain. The family panics and rushes her to the hospital where doctors immediately begin treatment. As everyone waits outside praying for Siley and her baby, Roshni is left alone at home, reflecting on her loneliness and the difficult choices still ahead. The episode ends on this emotional cliffhanger. Thank you for watching. Bye.